Hi, welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I'm your host, Dr. Mohar M. Ghosh, and I'm back today with another very informational video for you. Today's video is on Vastu tips for your kitchen. But before we go on to that, let me share a brief about the channel with you. I started the channel The Ancients on 3rd February 2021, and as on to date we have already got 135 subscribers. Our mission is to share with you the essence of astrology, numerology and Vastu so that you live a life filled with prosperity, good health, good fortune and peace of mind. So, I request all those of you who have come onto the channel for the first time or have not yet subscribed to the channel to kindly subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends and family so that they too can get this information and live a life filled with prosperity, good health and harmonious relationships. Friends, coming back to our topic, I promised to share with you 15 tips, Vastu tips for your kitchen. The kitchen is the area where our food is not only stored but also prepared. This food is what gives us energy and good health and the ability to do work, be motivated. Therefore, the kitchen is a very critical area for our health, success, prosperity and harmonious relationships. So let's start with these Vastu tips for the kitchen. The most important tip is that your kitchen should be located in the southeast corner, the Agneya Kona as we call it. If it's not possible in this direction, the only other option you have is the northwest corner. Never have a kitchen in the north, the northeast or southwest direction. This will lead to financial drain and disharmony in your relationships. Second, always face east while cooking. This will give good health for the cook as well as all the occupants of the house. If you face by mistake north while cooking, it will burn away your total finances and bring financial instability on your home. Always face east while cooking. The wash basin must be in the northeast direction and do not keep it next to your stove. Avoid a conflict between the fire and water elements. The stove must be towards the southeast of the kitchen or even on the east of the kitchen, but not exactly beside the wash basin. Water storage, overhead water tank must always be only in the western direction. Food grains and other stock of grains is best kept in the southwest direction for good luck and prosperity. Even the western direction is also okay, but never keep it in the north or east direction. The entrance or the door of your kitchen must always be only in the north, east or western directions and no other directions. The windows and the exhaust fans can be kept in the east direction. Most importantly, you must never have the black color in your kitchen ever. Always keep it in bright colors such as green, chocolate, red, burgundy. These bright colors will invite prosperity, harmonious relationships, good health into your home and its occupants. The fridge must be in the southwest direction, a little distance away from the corner, or in the southeast direction. The electrical appliances such as microwave, oven, heater, mixers should always be in the southeast direction. Never place the electronic appliances in the northeast. Clean the kitchen counter or platform, and the wash basin and all your utensils at night before going to sleep. Never keep dirty utensils and a dirty kitchen before going to sleep. This angers Goddess Lakshmi and you have financial drain at your home. So always clean your kitchen on a daily basis before going to sleep. Ensure that your kitchen is not directly over or under the puja room. It should never be directly over or under the toilets. Most critical, never over and under your bedroom. Never face west while cooking. If you face west while cooking, you will invite health problems for the cook as well as for rest of the family members. Never face south while cooking. Monetary drain. Your financials will be in a doldrum. Number 2, you will also face health issues. Friends, I have shared with you 15 tips for your kitchen. Please hear these tips very carefully and redesign your kitchen if need be. The kitchen is a very important area of your home, and when you design the kitchen properly as per the right Vastu principles, you will ensure good health, prosperity, harmonious relationships, and peace of mind. If you ignore the Vastu principles in the kitchen, which is a very critical area of the home, you will face lot of problems in your relationships and in your prosperity, and you will also have difficulty in your business and career growth. Friends, I request once again for those of you who have not yet subscribed or have come on to the first time to the channel, The Ancients, please do subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update on every new video which I release for you. Friends, please also feel free to share these videos with your friends and family. When you share it with your friends and family, and when they are benefited by these astrology, numerology and Vastu tips, you increase your good karmas. It's a shortcut to increasing your good karmas. Friends, I will meet you soon with another video on your very own channel, The Ancients. Till we meet again, stay safe, good luck, all the best.